Pastor Ed Lapis founded and heads the Day by Day Christian Ministries. His Sunday messages are likewise accessible worldwide. In pursuit of his vision for the redemption and use of indigenous arts in Christian worship, he founded and heads the Kaloob Philippine Music and Dance Ministry.
Sa leadership ng Pastor Ed, araw-araw tayong nakapag-live stream ng kaliwanagan sa quarantine. Nakapagbigay ito ng malaking encouragement lalo na sa mga pinanghihinaan ng loob noong panahon ng lockdown.
Ngayong linggo, we will celebrate the 40th anniversary of Day by Day Jesus Ministries. 7 a.m., 9 a.m., and 11 a.m. kasama ang ating Pastor Ed Lapis. Sa 3 p.m. naman, magkakaroon ng performance ang ating Kaloob Music and Dance Ministry. Tuloy-tuloy po ang ating celebration. Sa 5 p.m., kasama naman po ang ating Tatay Gami album. Magkita-kita po tayo muli sa Space at One Ayala. Happy 40th Anniversary Day by Day Jesus Ministries! Mabuhay ang Diyos!